What if the job you're working so hard for won't exist in next 2 years? AI isn't coming for the future. It's already here. The real question is, are you replaceable? Many companies are laying off employees while investing heavily in AI. Even the way we work is changing. So today, let's talk about what's really happening and whether AI actually replaces our jobs. By the way, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to stay updated with more content like this. Yeah, without any further discussions, let's get into the topic. It was all started in November 2022 with the public release of ChatGPT. It reached 1 million users in just 5 days and showed the world that AI could write, code, design, and reason. And it also triggered massive investments and competition. And in no time, we're all part of it. Fast forward to today, hundreds of AI startups have emerged, innovation is accelerating, and open source models are challenging the dominance of tech giants. Everyone is racing to become number one in AI, and that brings us to one of the most influential player in this space, Anthropic. In 2022, AI entered our lives through chatbots. Tools like ChatGPT showed the world that AI could write, answer questions, and even help with coding. That was the first time AI became part of everyday work, but that was just the beginning. And in 2023, AI evolved from chatbots to agents, systems that don't just respond but act. AI agents can now book tickets, analyze data, generate your reports, and automate your workflows with very minimal human effort. Soon, every company began to building AI agents for specific tasks. In market, there are agents for building your application and testing your application, and for your customer support, and for your data analysis as well. Software development itself started to change. Writing code is no longer the hardest part. Today, you can describe what you want in plain English, and an AI model can generate the code in seconds. With these agents, programming is shifting from writing syntax to expressing your intent. Okay, who is going to affect more because of this? Entry level jobs will get affected the most, and IT services and outsourcing roles. We have to now focus on your communication skills and product thinking, US understanding, and your entrepreneurship skills. One thing that everyone should remember is the future doesn't belong to those who write the code, it belongs to the people who design the best systems. So, the next question I get is, should I need to learn full stack development or any other programming language in the AI era? Absolutely, yes. Because AI writes the code, but you are the one who has to review that and see if the code matches your business needs, and you are the one who has to verify it. Coming to experienced people, we have seen IT giants like TCS, Infosys, Wipro facing market pressure, with some calling it as an AI bloodbath. While that may sound dramatic, but the concern is real. Tasks that once took a full day can now be completed by AI in minutes. For outsourcing companies built on billable hours and large teams, this shift creates a serious challenge. Artificial intelligence is not the end of jobs, it's the end of outdated skills. Adopt, learn, and grow because the future belongs to those who evolve. That's it for today's discussion. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to Founderly Talks